Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So I don't know about you guys, but I am always on the hunt, on the lookout for jewelry that is waterproof, sweatproof, life-proof. I feel like I am so lazy most of the time to take my jewelry off. So I love pieces that I can just simply wear, not worry about. And I have such an exciting little package from Atolea Jewelry that literally checks all of those boxes. But before I get into all of that, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's get into some super cute jewelry. All right, so like I said, I have a very cute package from Atolea Jewelry. And like I said, this is the sweat-proof, waterproof jewelry of your dreams. All of these pieces are so stinking cute and such nice quality. So let's do a little unboxing. We got a lot of pieces to get through today and I can't wait to show you guys. Let me start off. Number one, also these little bags. These are so cute. If you know me, you know I love a good dust bag, even for my jewelry. It's just so helpful. I use them all the time. All right, so this is our first piece and it is this gorgeous stacked chain. So you can see it has these two necklaces, but together, you can see on there, and this is just so beautiful. This is so cute. Like I said, these pieces are great every day, all day, every day. And I really like how the chain is actually connected. A lot of times when I'm trying to like stack my own necklaces, they get a little tangled, but at least this base I know is gonna be nice and perfect. So let me show you guys it on. It has a couple different lengths you can do. So I'll show you guys the shortest length and you can see this is kind of how the necklaces lay. So this is so cute. Let me give you guys a close-up. So you can see these just lay so pretty and nice and like flat and flush on your neck. So yeah, this is the shortest length, which I think is super cute. Definitely a great base for layering because I think I do have another necklace style that I want to add to this and this is already just so cute. And yeah, it's just like beautiful little dainty gold jewelry. Check in the boxes. I also will be linking everything I'm sharing with you guys so you can go ahead, check them out yourself. Also just link the website in general. So if you want to do your own shopping, you can definitely check it out. So here is another necklace and this one is so fun. So it's kind of this medallion almost and it is so pretty. Like look at the details on this. It is so cute. The braided chain, absolutely stunning, and it has kind of the same little clasp detail here with the brand name on this little tag. You probably can't read it, but I promise it's there. Yeah, this piece is so cute and looks so cool. Layered with these necklaces. But let me show you guys what it looks like on. Yeah, this is just such a fun, kind of like nautical vibe, very beachy chic. I am going to Hawaii later this year and I feel like this would be so cute to bring on that trip because first of all these pieces are waterproof so I can wear them in the ocean and they're also super cute. Here's kind of how I would layer it on with these two pieces. This is on kind of the longest chain length. I probably make this a little bit shorter just to match with the other pieces. A hack I like to do is sometimes I'll go from this side and see where I want it to sit and then that's where I'll hook it, if that makes sense. So you can kind of have the perfect stack length every time. But yeah, this is so cute. Let me give you guys a close-up of how these three look together. Yeah, this is absolutely so stunning and it's such a cute little stack. I'm so obsessed. And like I was saying, all of this is really high quality jewelry, no tarnishing, waterproof, sweat-proof. So you can definitely wear these pieces and not worry about them as you're wearing them. All right, our next piece, oh, these are so fun. Little bag. These super cute earrings. So these are so fun and such a statement piece. I love a good statement earring and these are it. These are so cute. I love the little knot style detail on them. such a fun piece. Such a fun piece. So let me show you guys them on because they are absolutely stunning. They're also not too heavy. I feel like with these styles, I get worried that they're gonna be too heavy sometimes, and they're not. And they're super cute. They're good quality. They have a weight to them, but not heavy earrings, if that makes sense. Like they're not dragging my ear down by any means, which is definitely a non-starter for me for earrings if I feel like they're weighing me down. All right, let's get another close up. So yeah, these are so stinking cute. Like how fun are these earrings? They're so absolutely so cute. And honestly, I feel like jewelry makes such a difference to your outfit. I feel like my look is already a million times elevated by these jewelry pieces. Like this is just kind of a simple cut off v-neck, and with all of this jewelry, it's already a 10 times better outfit in my opinion. So versus jewelry doesn't make a difference, like you're wrong. Jewelry makes all the difference in your looks and your style. So very important. Our next piece, so this is, ta-da! This is another little necklace style, and I think I might switch out one of these pieces just because the stack is getting stacked a little much. So let me rearrange my stack and then kind of show you this piece on its own. I just want to give you guys a close-up of it in the packaging. So it's this bar, little diamond details on the front of it, and it is just so dainty and so beautiful. I think a lot of this jewelry is just exactly my style, where it's that mix of dainty but then also has fun bold pieces as well. So super cute. You can find everything you need. All right, so here it is at the shortest setting, and it is so beautiful. Just the way it's so dainty but has little diamonds on it. I'll give you guys another close up. So dainty and effortless and looks so elegant. Just such a beautiful necklace. Like I feel like you could really dress up this necklace, like if you're going to a really nice event and you just have this dainty beautiful piece. I think it's just so stunning. But yeah, absolutely obsessed. And then our next piece, so this is a really fun gold cuff. I have honestly been looking for a cute gold cuff for a while. I feel like the chunky cuffs are definitely in style right now and very on trend. So I'm finding myself a cute little cuff. This is so fun, and I kind of like you can wear it on different levels of your arm. So I can kind of like wear it a little bit tighter, kind of on my mid arm like that, which is fun, or just wear it as a fun little angle cuff. So that's really cute, and it definitely leans into some of the more bolder pieces. So like I said, Atolea has a good mix of like the beautiful dainty but some fun bold pieces as well. So I wanted to definitely get a mix of those. And then my next piece is back kind of in the dainty category, and this is a super cute little almost like choker length style. So it has these really pretty pearl details and then the gold chain, and this looks really cute. I feel like layered as well. So I'll layer it with this necklace because I feel like this is kind of gonna go together. They're both very dainty, cute pieces, but also very sophisticated and elegant in my opinion. So this, like I said, is a little bit shorter than the other pieces, so you can definitely layer it well. So here it is layered with the other necklace, and I'll give you guys a close-up. So you can see that it is definitely a shorter chain style, but it's meant to be. It just looks so pretty with these pieces together. I'm actually obsessed. This is so beautiful. Like, this is so cute. Yeah. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, I feel like these stack together really well, and I love, again, balancing out those dainty pieces with some fun chunky pieces to add a little bit more interest, a little bit more variety to your jewelry situation. Now let's keep going. It's the never-ending box of jewelry. We've got two more pieces. So here is, oh, these are so cute. Everything is so cute. But these are little earring style. So they are these little dainty earrings with a little diamond kind of hanging from the hoop. So your classic hoops, but with a little bit of an upgrade. So let me show you guys these on. So yeah, these are so stinking cute. Okay, let me put both of them on and get the full look. And yeah, all of these pieces are so good everyday jewelry. You can definitely dress them up. They're just so elegant. They're so elegant and so pretty. And especially with this whole stack, I feel like all of these are very beautiful, elegant, dainty pieces that you can definitely see, again, transforms your outfits so much. What jewelry you're wearing really just gives a different vibe to your look, without a doubt. It's definitely just switched up the whole look, in my opinion, from the chunkier gold earrings to then these really beautiful dainty pieces. Both very cute, but again, just take a very different style. So I really like this look too. Okay, so my order did actually also come with this little free mystery gift. So let's unbox the mystery together. Any ideas what it could be? I feel like it's probably earrings because I can't feel the chain. If it's anything else. I'm gonna pick. Ah, yes, I was right. Oh my gosh, they're so stinking cute. So these are little hoop style gold earrings. Absolutely obsessed. These are actually, you know what? Like the perfect bridge between a very dainty piece to like this to then this. I feel like that's the evolution of the earrings from dainty to chunky. So these are a great in between piece. Let me show you guys. Let me show you them on. Okay, these are so cute. Honestly, all of their pieces are so cute. And again, waterproof, sweatproof, life-proof. So cute. Okay, let's do one last close-up. Absolutely stunning. You can see the little hoop detail. So pretty. Honestly, these do look really elegant as well with the necklace stack I've got going on. But yeah, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm like so excited. Wow. So that's pretty much it. That's what we got. All of these pieces are absolutely so stunning, so cute, and I love the mix of the dainty and then more bold statement-y jewelry. So if you're looking for either of those extremes, Atolea has something for you. Also, a big shout out to Atolea for sending me all of these stunning pieces. Also, all of their pieces are so cute and stackable. All of those necklace styles I think are absolutely so fun and so easy to mix and match and stack. So definitely recommend kind of switching it up with your stack. And honestly, I feel like this is a really good example of how the jewelry really changes your outfit. If you're looking for something to up your style game, having really cute jewelry or layering jewelry that kind of makes sense with the look you're going for can definitely just transform your outfits. So yeah, jewelry makes a difference, people. As always, be sure to leave a comment down below what you think, what you're most excited about, like what piece are you definitely gonna check out on their website. Again, I will be linking everything that I shared with you guys today, as well as a link to just their website in general. So if you do use my link down below, you do save 15%. So why not save some money? And yeah, I just think these are so fun. It's so stunning, and especially summertime coming up, I cannot wait to wear these to the beach, to the pool, to my Pilates classes in the morning. This is definitely my lived-in, wear-in jewelry. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this style video, little jewelry unboxing, some styling tips, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends, and if you have not already, please do not forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.